I wear a black jacket.
He has a strong chin.
He has a strong chin.
Her hair is wavy.
Her hair is wavy.
I seem confident.
I seem confident.
She wears sunglasses.
She wears sunglasses.
He stands tall.
He stands tall.
My skin is brown.
My skin is brown.
His hair is very long.
His hair is very long.
She looks elegant.
She looks elegant.
I have a short neck.
I have a short neck.
He has dimples.
He has dimples.
Her eyebrows are thin.
Her eyebrows are thin.
She has dyed red hair.
She has dyed red hair.
I wear a tie daily.
I wear a tie daily.